What's up, guys? Today we're working on my own car, my Audi. So I'm gonna show you what the problem with this. I'm been having problems with the temperature sensor, which I don't know if some of you have the same thing. Like right here, my temperature is good, but over here, it's blinking. You know, the warning light. If you got something like that, it's kind of confusing. Why? Because you got the gauge is showing you the temperature that is right, but the light over here is blinking, which means there's something wrong with it. Okay, guys, let's see if I can get the light blinking so I can show you. See, my temperature gauge is good. It's good. There. See how the light is blinking for the temperature, but my gauge is showing that it's good. Well, it may be a couple of different things, like the temperature sensor is going bad, or your tank. In my case, it's right here. Let me shut this off. In my case, it's right here. See down there, my plug? Down there. Let me get a screwdriver. Here. See my plug? It's all damaged, and the wires are bad. So for that, pretty easy. I just went to the junkyard, found another Audi, got myself another plug. You can see, I think they're the same colors on the wires, or maybe about the same. So you only plug them like it is. Should work. Okay, let me do this and I get back to you guys. Okay, guys, so I got my new plug in. I need to plug it back in the water thing. Should be good to go. Let's see. Gonna be hard with one hand. Should be not light. Yep, all light. Fix it. Okay, guys, well, any question, any comment, subscribe, you share the video, just let me know what you think. If you got any question about Honda, Nissan, or Audis like mine, which I got the 2.7 twin turbo, just let me know and I can help you out. Alright, thanks guys, see ya.